Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name is Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this lovely BMW 4 Series Gran Coupe 2-litre 420d luxury xDrive. Now this vehicle is currently on 66,761 miles and it's finished in the colour Glacier Silver. Now if you'd like more information, please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. Now let's take a look around the vehicle here. Starting at the front, you do have your very stylish xenon headlights. Moving around to the side now, the vehicle does sit very nicely on 18-inch alloy wheels. You've got your indicator there on the side along with your rear privacy glass. Now let's go ahead and take a look inside to the rear of the vehicle now. Inside you'll find your gorgeous black leather interior. You do have your ice fix points on the outer seat so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. You do have a pull-out armrest there in the middle seat. Does have two cup holders in. You've got your rear air conditioning vents there as well, so rear passengers can also benefit from the air conditioning and travel comfortably. Heading round to the rear of the vehicle now, you have your xDrive 420d badging on the tailgate. You have a powered tailgate that can be opened using the key fob, providing easy access into the boot. Very handy feature when your hands are full and you need to load the vehicle up. You've got heaps of space there available to you. You can fit two seat cases in there very nicely, and there's even some tethering points as well so you can tie any loads down if you need to. Some net storage there at the side as well. Up top you'll find a button that electronically closes the tailgate, which is super handy when your hands are full and loading the vehicle. You don't have to struggle reaching up to shut it. Take a look inside the vehicle now. You do have your leather multifunction steering wheel there. You have a nice brown wood finish on the dashboard onto the centre console as well. Your front seats here, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. You also have your memory settings so you can save your preferred driving position and always revert back to it if it's ever changed by your additional drivers. Now we've had a look around, I'm now going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this BMW 4 Series Gran Coupe has to offer. And hopping in, starting on the driver's door, you will find your electric mirror adjustments that include folding. Now with the folding you can quickly fold the mirrors in and keep them nice and protected. Super handy when parking on narrow roads as you can prevent them from being knocked off by other road users. You do have your full electric windows there along with a button for locking the rear windows if you don't want rear passengers to put them down. Now the vehicle does have automatic headlights as well as wipers, so when set to auto you don't have to worry about turning them on. They will turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focused on the road and not lose concentration. Moving to the right of the steering wheel, you have your volume controls there for the infotainment system. You can also change the source of audio on there. To the left you have your cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys. It means you don't have to keep your foot held on the accelerator the whole time, and it does allow you to arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less strain in your foot. Super handy if you're frequently on the motorway. Moving to the left now, you have your indicator stalk there, and at the end of it you'll find your trip button for the trip computer underneath your dials there in the instrument cluster. You can access different information such as your miles to the gallon, how many miles you have left in your tank, the date. It's a very nice touch to have. Here in the centre now you have your infotainment screen up top there. It is controlled using the spinning dials and buttons here in the centre console. You can access your different menus very easily with the shortcut buttons. You do have your radio with DAB, FM and AM radio, and with your DAB you do have nice clear audio quality as it's digital, so if you love listening to the radio you can enjoy it nice and clearly. And it's very easy to find and tune your favourite stations into the vehicle with a list of all different stations available to you there. Of course, alternatively, here in the multimedia section you can connect your own source of audio with the vehicle. You do have a CD drive along with your option for connecting with USB, auxiliary inputs and Bluetooth connectivity. You also have a phone mount found in the centre armrest. You do have your Bluetooth telephone connectivity here where you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go so you can keep up to date with whatever you need to. And it also ensures you don't miss any important phone calls. You can input your phone book into the vehicle very easily so you can access all of your contacts. You do have your navigation here so you can be sure you're never lost and can take this vehicle to all new destinations with ease. It's very nice, clear, easy to follow guidance. You can change the view using the scroller to zoom in and out. It's a very nice straightforward system to use, especially with the nice vibrant coloured display. Moving on, you do have an office feature. You can access your contacts in here again, some messages and even make notes. You have your connected drive where you can access things like your mobile care, your BMW online and visit the connected drive store for applications. Now here in the vehicle information, you can access different features such as your trip computer, your vehicle status, and even see your vehicle's service history. The most recent one being done in 2021. Moving on now, you do have your front and rear parking sensors, giving you added confidence when parking, as it does make you more aware of your surroundings of the vehicle, the things you may not be able to see. Makes parking overall much more easier to do. It's a very nice touch to have with the vehicle being on the longer side. Below here you do have your dual zone climate control that does allow the driver and passenger to make their own preferred temperature choices, along with selecting the direction of airflow as well, so you can travel very comfortably up front here. You have front heated seats with 3 different temperature options, keeping you nice and warm all throughout winter or on those colder days. Your buttons for defrost in the front and rear windscreen. You even have an automatic feature. You can use the air recirculation there as well. Below here you do have a compartment with a 12-volt socket in. You can also lift this compartment up there to reveal 2 cup holders, and you have a nice storage tray as well. Here next to your manual gear selector you'll find your driving controls. You can access your Comfort, Eco, Pro and Sport mode, which change how the vehicle forms and handles, so you can enhance your driving experience through this. You can access the different modes very easily and even access some additional displays. Thanks for watching this video on the BMW 4 Series Gran Coupe 2-litre 420d Luxury xDrive. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.